I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo games on Xbox. This is achieved through emulation, which allows your Xbox to mimic a Nintendo console. We'll cover the necessary steps to transform your Xbox into a retro gaming powerhouse, opening up a world of classic Nintendo titles right on your current console. This process is the only viable method for enjoying Nintendo's extensive library on your Xbox. The first crucial step is enabling developer mode on your Xbox. This involves registering for a developer account, which typically has a small one-time fee, usually around $19. Once activated, you'll download the Xbox Dev Mode activation application and follow the on-screen instructions to prepare your console for running custom applications, including emulators. This unlocks the full potential of your Xbox for custom software. With developer mode active, the next step is installing an emulator. RetroArch is an excellent choice, acting as a unified front-end for numerous emulation cores. You'll transfer the RetroArch application package to your Xbox over your local network. This powerful tool supports a vast library of Nintendo consoles, from the original Nintendo Entertainment System to the Nintendo 64, all within one application, offering extensive customization options. Finally, you'll need to acquire game ROMs, which are digital copies of your Nintendo games. Remember to only use ROMs for games you legally own. Transfer these files to your Xbox's storage, then launch RetroArch. Within RetroArch, you'll scan your directories to add your games to the library, configure your controller, and then you're ready to enjoy your favorite Nintendo classics on your Xbox, with full control over your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.